There's a lot of people out there talking about affiliate marketing, but what they're leaving out is why it's so good. Number one is you can get started for almost nothing. Social media accounts cost nothing to start. They're free. Your phone has an amazing camera on it, so why not use it? It'll cost you about $20 a year to start and get a website domain. Number two is you can do all the work around your spare time. If you have a family, 9 to 5, you have a busy schedule, you can create content around your schedule on topics that you know, that you like, that you love. So whether it is sports, it's around your kids and your family, it's around pets, business software. The products that you promote, it's only limited by your imagination. But three is that as you start to grow your following and you start to drive traffic to your affiliate links, this will only grow and grow and grow over time. So the more effort and time you put into it, the more you will get out of it. And this is all around your spare time. So if it sounds like something that you might be interested in, then comment info below and I'll get you the information. High five, you got this.